he was hungry. During this difficult time, Jesus was not alone. He was filled with the Holy Spirit, who strengthened him throughout his time of preparation and prayer. Knowing that we are never abandoned, that God is always with us, let us also stand alongside and support those who are facing serious challenges in our world today. Catholic Family Class Day is on Friday, the 14th of March. That's this coming Friday.
What's happening Friday?
By praying, eating simply, and giving.
Yeah, well, I won't be eating any pancakes.
Experts to provide simple, effective solutions to the toughest problems facing people around the world. Collect a Catholic envelope as you leave church to make a Lent offering. These are the Catholic envelopes. There's plenty of them in the floor. To make a Lent offering, and please consider pledging a monthly gift.
Please save the sheep. It's not one of them. I can't see without my glasses.
The envelope is also on the postman in the porch. You can scan the QR code or search Catholic envelope in inverted commas to give online. If you can gift aid your donation, you'll add a free 25% to anything you give.
George, I thought he's been decanonised. Oh. Patron of England. They didn't call him St. George. Oh, God, I have to put it back. Oh, God almighty. Right. Wow. What are those? 3 rosaries. That's a rosary. Oh.
Very often, their indignation at the injustices of the world, you put those into action by joining you in your.
I need to get my glasses. I can't see a thing. It's always the way I go in places where you've got to read things and I haven't got my glasses. I'm double parked. Right, where did I put the glasses? Oh. No, they're in the bag. Oh, well, here's another pair, but never mind. You know, this is St. Francis of Assisi. St. Francis was patron saint of animals, but yes, there we go. So you should be vegan. Wolf of Gubbio story. Oh, God, I want... Right. Oh. February. John the Baptist. Wow. Puritan law. The greatest amongst those born of women. Well, very, very important, this John. He had his head chopped off. Requires desert experience. In order to hear the voice, you have to get rid of the other noises. Hostile place. Oasis show, there's always Britannic. just 1%, use their entire annual carbon limit in 10 days. Governments need to stop pandering to the rich. Yeah, but they pay a lot of tax. Only education and home can. That's Cameroon. Well, of course, no one's interested in anything but the Middle East at the moment. Oh. Fair taxes on private jets could have raised $2 billion. You know what going vegan saving not? Is that Mecca? No, I think that's Rome. Oh, it's all the same. Pilgrimages, jubilees, lack of public toilets. March, volunteering. Oh yes, poor things. Their faces like. People's Pope, light of faith, hope and love that shines across the world. Biden gave him, oh, he didn't give it to him personally, he gave it to his rep, right. St. Josephine, Paquita, slave to saved. Where's that German heretic? Here, 5 equals. Israel's 3 righteous men, along with Daniel, Job, no, domestic dog, Persian god of light and truth, Ismaili, calm, oh dear, along with Daniel and Job, 3 righteous men. They all went wrong. They started off all right and then they went wrong. So, you know, Solomon was very wise, but he went wrong, I think. Was it David and Bathsheba? You know, they're all having a laugh with everyone else.